Bring one shoe and bring the Vietnam sandal.
There's something about this guy I just can't live alone. So tell me, babe, what's it gonna be? He said you don't know what you mean to me. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you.
Hi everyone, I'm Thuy. If you're planning going to the Ha Giang Loop, the most important thing right now you should see the packing stuff. Today I'm going to share for you 3 ways to optimize your luggage to make sure your Ha Giang Loop journey goes smooth and hassle-free. The first tip is only pack light and bring the essential multi-purpose item. For example, you can bring one of these instead of bring one t-shirt or one trouser, or you can use for this one when you go to sleep. It's quite thin and light, easy for go to sleep. And then bring 2 of that, one, and choose one of that, and you also can bring one long trouser. Should be good. Sometime in the loop, the weather can be cold in the night time, so let's bring it. And bring one swimsuit with you guys, because I heard in the Ha Giang Loop have the swimming activities. 2 pairs sock for your shoe. Bring one shoe and bring the Vietnam sandal. You can bring this one for all the purpose, so you can charge all in one. You prepare your stuff, you also can bring one of these for everything inside. The brush tip or the shampoo, everything you can put in here, easy to handle. What kind of bag you prefer? Suitcase or small bag? I would prefer for small bag because you can easy to wear it when you go to anywhere. For suitcase, it's quite heavy and it will make you have not too much space to sit when you're on the back of the motorbike. If you not have both of that and you just have the big luggage, that's no problem, because when you come to Jasmine, you can take this one also. Easy to handle all of that in one. The key or any important thing for you here. And how about your big luggage, right? Let's go live in here. Luggage store. Follow me, I will show you. Come here. So all of the luggage we will leave in here, so it's quite safe. You can see here have the top, so if you have no top you cannot take your luggage, so keep it carefully. And you leave your luggage here. For a lot of location here for you leave your luggage, so remember the location you leave is still be there on next few days when you're coming back. This is for easy way to packing your stuff. If you feel that's helpful, don't forget to take a like button here for me and give me a subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment here. See you!